Today we are harvesting parsley leaves and also celery, which have grown in a 10-inch fabric grow bag, and parsley in a 15-inch cloth fabric grow bag. So we're going to make some nice thecha and salad. So we'll trim out the leaves from the side and keep a few in the center so they still can grow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now parsley. So in the same way, this is a newer plant. We've already harvested celery 3 times already. This is the first harvest of parsley. Here. So parsley and celery. This is our kale plant. We've grown 2 together. We've not harvested it yet. Today we will do it. So cut few of the leaves from the sides. So the more you trim them, the more you harvest, the more they grow. But you have to leave some leaves on so they can do the process of photosynthesis and grow bigger. Kale is very tasty and yummy. If you plant them in a big container, they grow nice and big. So here's all our kale leaves, lots of them. And now for some chilies. We had already harvested a few, just 2 more have grown, so we'll take that. Some of the harvested ones are already there inside the house.
So let's make a quick thecha. So we have roasted chili, all home grown, then some peanuts, some garlic and little bit of cumin seed, all are roasted. And these are our grown Richard God flour. That also will go in this. Curry patta. And all this parsley and kale, celery, all will go in this. This is a quick, like a chutney, and then thecha is called because now we will be crushing it, and then little bit of salt and little bit of lime, not all, but little bit of lime juice, and then you have to crush this, crush together. It is yummy and delicious. You try this recipe. Okay. I came in my kitchen because that was a glass table and I don't want to break my glass table. So like this you have to do the thecha. See that you crush it nicely. If you have never tried like this, try this. It's amazing. Done. All are nicely. Here is our protein, full of proteins and vitamin. Thecha is ready. Try this recipe and enjoy.